See this guys, I'm just promoting health products, health and fitness products over a website, and I'm getting affiliate commission if I just sell these products free of cost. Do you want to learn how you can do it? I just want to recommend you this website. You can see the traffic, how to do it, how to earn money by just promoting this affiliate links. Just follow along this video and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn this much amount of money absolutely free of cost, guys. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket and you are good to go to earn money online. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just promoting your affiliate links over this website. Yes guys, it's 100% free of cost. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket, and I just show you the similarity index of this website so that guys you just wanna see that how much people are actually earning from this website. Okay, so I just copy this thing and just paste it on SimilarWeb. Okay, so you can see this pearltears.com. okay, so you can see this guys, how much people, you can see the ranking part and the total visitors, 1.91 million people, and you can see that how much traffic this website will getting. From 42% traffic is from France. Okay, so what I need to do here, so I just need to register first and just promoting my affiliate links over this website. Okay, so how can I do it? So just come up here and just type your username. Okay, so I just quickly do it. Okay, so this is my affiliate link, so I just gave my mail ID, okay, and my password. Okay, so just click on this join button, okay, and you are good to go. And you can see this guys, so it will ask you 3 types of subscription and you do not have to spend a penny from your pocket, and you can see this 1 GB of storage you'll get. So just click on this go public. Okay, and what you need to give your real name, okay, and your biopic. Okay, I am promoting whatever products that you need to promote. I am promoting health and fitness products. Okay, so people are come up with their intent that you are giving health and fitness products to them. Okay, just click on this save and you can see this guys, just click on this get started. Okay, so you just cross it down. Okay, I just gave you the full introduction. Okay, you do not have to worry, and just click on this plus button. And what I need to give on this, what type of service do I need to give? Okay, I can give web pages guys. Okay, I can create web pages for this account. So after clicking on this web page guys, what you need to do, just click on this note. Okay, and you just need to give health products. Okay, you just need to list the health products. So what you need to list down there. Okay, so just come up in this article factory. Okay, just type in article factory. Okay, and you will get free articles from this website guys. Okay, whatever niche you want, you can see this guys, I have selected the health article. Okay, health and fitness articles, and that's simple guys. Okay, so if you want sir, these articles are copyrighted, so just come up here in spin boot. Okay, just click on this spin boot and you can see this guys, you just need to cross it, and what you need to do, you just copy this whole. Okay, just copy this paragraphs and just paste it. Okay, just paste it. Okay, just paste this whole article. Okay, so just click on this I'm not a robot. Okay, just you need to fill this captcha and just click on this go button. Okay, that's simple guys, that's it. Okay, and you can see this guys, this article is spin. Okay, so there is no copyright issue that comes up on this website. Okay, on this reputed website, you just need to click on this. Okay, I just want to recommend you guys, just create small paragraph so that we can put our links in between. Okay, so you just need to just enter try this health product. Okay, you just need to try this health product. Okay, so just copy this thing, okay, and just come up here in Google Docs. Okay, so I'm just showing you step by step how actually it is working. Okay, so just come up here in Google Docs and you just need to enter your mail ID. Okay, whatever Gmail ID that you need to sign in. Okay, just come up here in Google Docs. You can see this, guys, and what you need to paste is that link. Okay, this thing, try this product. Okay, so what affiliate products we are promoting here? So just come up in this Amazon Associate and just type health. Okay, just type health, and there are hundreds and hundreds of products that you can find. You can see this, guys, these are supplements. Okay, these are health supplements. Okay, I just click on this new tab and you can see the description of each and individual product. Okay, you can see the description of each and individual product, what it is, what it gets. Okay, so I can try these capsules as well. Okay, which people are actually buying those products. Okay, you can find these descriptions. Okay, so what I need to do is just get link. You just need to click on this get link. Okay, I've already created a video on this Amazon dedicated video how to create it. Okay, if you have not watched it, I just want to recommend you to watch it. Just click on this text only and this short link. Okay, just copy this link. Okay, just need to copy this link, and what you need to do, just come up here in Google Docs and just highlight this and just click on this. You can see this insert link. Okay, just click on this insert link. Okay, and just paste your link on this and click on this apply. Okay, that's it, guys. And what you need to do, just copy this thing. Okay, and just paste it. Instead of this, just paste it here. Okay, and you can see this, guys. Okay, and I just want to recommend you to paste this at each end of this paragraph. Okay, at each end of this paragraph, you can see this. Okay, that's it, guys. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket, and you are affiliating some products, okay, on this, and just click on this add button and you are good to go. You can see this, guys. Now people are actually coming up here and just try to see and watch that whatever health products that you are promoting, you are getting an affiliate commission from this Amazon Associates. Okay, that simple, guys. You can see the niches of people. You can see that there are different types of niches, okay, which people are actually promoting. Okay, you can find out various kind of niches. Okay, you can find out your collections. Okay, you just need to promote your products, and people are actually earning a good amount of money. You can see 250 views from this, 55, 297 in just every single day. People are actually coming up here and just try to see your articles on this platform, and they are getting affiliate commission. You are getting affiliate commission from this Amazon.com. Okay, so I hope you get this idea, guys. You can see this, how much people are coming up here. Approximately, guys, if I can take approximately 2 million people. Okay, if I can calculate, okay, if I can calculate 2 million people are coming up here to just see your articles, which is amazing, guys. If from 2 million people, just 1,000 people will come, and I'll get from each product I can get approximately, guys, $1 to $3 commission. I can earn, guys, $3,000 to $4,000 by just promoting the products free of cost on this website. Okay, this is just one product, guys, and you will tell me how much product you can just post it. And guys, 1 GB free data. Okay, you can see this, 1 GB free data. You just need to come up here and just post your articles. That simple, guys. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket. I hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, just click on this like button and just subscribe to my channel, so that there is always a motivation to give you the best content, so that you can earn money online by just sitting at home and earn millions out of it. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Happy earning.